One, yes, I'm making a smoothie for my wife. For the haters that would criticize and say he's adding too much of this and not enough of that or anything like that. In other words, just chill. This is what I'm making, and I think it's healthy. I'm using some organic spinach spring mix stuff. It's not necessarily my #1 endorsement, but it's like sticking a salad in your smoothie container. I immediately, yes, like it or not, it is organic plant-based protein of whatever flavor. They say put 2 scoops in. I think it's an overkill for what I'm doing here. I'm making a mess. Well, let's make a mess and get along with it, get over with it. I put 1 scoop of that and put it back in here. I'm showing my wife kind of the way to make my smoothie, so I'm not going to complain and be an ogre. Like my smoothie isn't made just right.
But you don't need that in there this time, baby, because I already...
Did I ask for commentary? You made the collagen.
I already made the collagen.
I want to go ahead and do it this way, and I'll double my collagen intake because.
Well, that's mine, so don't put any more in there.
It's yours. Okay, here's what's going on. Okay, just keep going right there. Okay, no more interruptions from the backseat driver. Tammy, away. All right. This is collagen, which we take two of the built-in scoops of every day for our bones and teeth and skin and beauty. I'm 55, going to be 56, thank you very much. No, my wife's the beautiful one in the family. But because we don't always do it, we can mix it up in a shot. Like, I'm not promoting alcohol, but we consider it like a shot. Drink it, hold your nose, and you get your collagen that way. That's the reason I'm not putting 1 scoop of this in here and another scoop later in the day. Moving right on. That was the second one, collagen. Goes back under here. We have this organic superfood. Yes, you can go to Walmart and actually eat organic. I have comments about that too, but that's in another video perhaps. I've got a container, a little scoop in there I'm not concerned with. I just want a scoop of this stuff in there that I think is better for me than breakfast. Make me want to yak. Make me want to die of some disease breakfast. All right, so this is not a schmoothie. All right, this is ground flaxseed, again, organic from Walmart. Thank you. The grandmother at Walmart said, I want my broke grandson to be able to go to Walmart and buy organic if he wants to eat organic. I want somebody, not just the rich, to be able to eat organic. So whatever mother or grandmother in Walmart ownership that stood up and demanded that with their own value, their great value then, applause to you. Kudos and those kind of things. So powders, moving right along quickly, ground flaxseed was that. Here's organic superfood. Did I put that in?
Yes.
Because, okay, it's the other one that I haven't. It's a plant-based protein. It's on the same aisle at Walmart Market because it's hard to find. I had to look around a couple times and realize where is that aisle where they have that flaxseed and organic stuff, but it's hidden, but it's there, believe me. It's not intentionally hidden. No, I'm not buying anything to rock that. And this is not a Walmart commercial. This is just saying, hey, okay, there's a ground flaxseed. Now to the fruit. I've got some blueberries here, again, organic. They ain't cheap. I'm gonna stain my fingers and consider them clean. I'm at home. A few blueberries. I like them good and frozen because that's what provides kind of the tolerable frozen smoothie aspect of this stuff, right? We got some strawberries, red strawberries, and they've been sitting out a few minutes. They did not need to sit out for a few minutes, and I've got that in there. Yes, I'm getting above the line. Oh no, I'm breaking the rules. It's okay to break the rule here in there.
Excuse me.
Trying to live healthy. We have almond milk original shake. Well, I'm not sure it's been opened. Oh, I feel like Rachel Ray is a man.
Oh, you have some in there. I didn't even put any in
That's
that.
all right. Oh, well, see,
I didn't know. You said, oh, I thought we didn't have any more almond milk.
No, not the dry backseat driver here. That's about a cup, 3/4 of a cup, 27.38 millimeters of, no, I don't know that. See, I'm going to approach the camera. We filter all our water through one of these nice water filters. And I'll add that. Simply, our item is plugged in, ready for business. Screw it on. And one thing I have realized, shake it a little. And it helps everything just, blend. Like right now, watch, see? Not Which is fine.
We have our lovely cow pinned to the wall.